Oh.
What was it?
Picture.
Yeah. I can take pictures while I read. Oh, wait.
No.
Okay, hold on.
Do you love baby brother?
You like him?
Bruh.
I want it.
Is that for you? Is that for
Well,
Yeah.
And we promise we won't take you away. And we promise we won't put you in garbage. Just kidding. I wish got boogers.
What?
So cute. He's so cute. He's so cute and adorable.
Oh, I think somebody is pooping right now.
No.
She has on a diaper. It's okay.
Aww.
Oh, it's okay.
I love. Kiss.
Mwah.
Kiss.
That's
Gentle.
nice.
No, no.
No, you just want to sleep. Hey, good morning. Hey, good morning. I think he likes me the mostest, Roman. Yeah. I mean, he doesn't like you the mostest. He likes me the most. Yeah, you can pet him, but I think he likes me the mostest. But
What's his name, Roman?
baby. Ew. Why is that making me a happy face?
Oh, because when they're really little like this, they don't really make faces yet. They mostly just sleep and eat. So right now he's very happy because he's sleeping.
It looks difficult.
What are you doing?
Je sais pas, mais c'est au football.
Do you want some peanut butter and toast?
I can't stop her. Mwah.
Kiss. Look at that.
Mommy! Baby's hungry! Honey's a milk in the boobs!
Judy, can you do a handstand? Good job.
What are you looking at? Those are mine.
Josie, what did you do?
Did she bite you?
Tonight is Halloween. What do you say on Halloween? What do you say? We're gonna go trick-or-treating, and you're gonna go to the house, and what do you say?
Dog.
Dog?
Blah, 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 blah.
Why are you done holding him?
I am.
Why? What happened?
He pooped on me. Oh, I want for Sissy.
I don't think you can feed her, okay?
I want for Sissy.
No, just mommy feeds her. It's okay. Thank you, though.
Do you know that he can't actually focus on your face very well? Babies don't see a lot of, like... Get him, Annie. Get him.
Touch your hand.
Of course he does.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
That's what babies do and kids. They pick their nose. They're still learning.
Right.
What do you have, bud? Oh, he's a thumbsucker already.
Look at, come here. Bro, look at his penis.
Oh.
Easy. Don't squeeze it so tight. Look
Look
at mommy.
Does it taste good? Yeah? You want the turkey?
Come here, Benny. Can I have it? Isn't it fun? Get the ball. Get the ball. Benny. Come here. Come here. Can I have it? Oh. Come here, Benny. Benny. Come here, Theo. Theo.
Are you trying to give yourself kisses? Let her do it again. I can't stop her. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe. Good job.
Oh, me too.
Mama. Mama.
You guys should stop.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it.
Oh. What? Cooper. What?
Noodles!
Noodles.
Bless you.
Can you pay my taxes?
No. Okay.